Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today we have a few things to do. The sun is shining now, even if it is November. At the end of November, we're almost in December. It's Sunday today. Excuse this croaky throat. I've had a really bad cold and cough. I'm just going to give you a few updates on where we're at in the house. So I did buy a new cat tree. So I've took the old cat tree down. And this has got to go to the tip. The cats are not best pleased. However, I did build them another one to start off with. So here is their new cat tree. It's got the hoop for Tilly because Tilly loves a hoop. And then I also made sure we had 3 towers for the cats. So they've all got one each, because sometimes they all want a tower each, and sometimes they like to sleep in these little houses. So there's 2 to choose from. This one's a little bit more compact. It's not as high as the other one, but it's a little bit more in keeping in the colour scheme of everything. So I'm not sure whether that's going to live here or not, or whether I'm going to put it back in the kitchen area here. We have amazing delivery today from Laura James. We're going to be getting the new table and chairs, which is really good. I'm so excited. I ordered them in the Black Friday sale. The sale's been on for a while. It wasn't just like recently. So they are arriving today between 1 and 4. I'm also going to go to Redgate today. I was meant to be there at 2, but if the chairs aren't here and the table, then I'm going to be turning up a little bit late. But yeah, first things first, this morning I need to take the old cat tree to the tip, and I've got a few like boxes and bags of stuff as well that need to be taken as well. And we're kind of slowly getting there. I feel like it's been really slow progress. Work's been quite manic, so not had loads and loads of time. So without further ado, let's get on with this job. I do need to go to Aldi as well, and I have got some stuff that I need to drop off at the post office, some returns and stuff. So I'm gonna go and get those done now, and I will see you all shortly. Hi guys, so it's just unpacking my shopping. I've just got back from Aldi and I've just had a delivery, so this is exciting. So we have, it's a bit darker in here, we've got 4 boxes. This is the tabletop. I'll put a picture on the screen as to which one I bought. I did get one that was a little bit more expensive, but to be honest, it is really, really nice. Yeah, Laura James. So you get 2 chairs in here, and then that's the legs and the tabletop. So it's something that I've got to put together. I have made some room in here already. So it's currently going to go here in this area, which I'm going to change this light fitting for eventually. Well, probably soon actually. I've got an electrician coming, so if I get the light in time, he can put that up for me as well. And it's literally going to go here. That is actually a Shark robot hoover that I need to unbox, which I will do at some point. But yeah, it's going to go here, guys. This is going to be so good. So yeah, I'm going to finish putting my shopping away, and we got to be at Redgate for 2, so I might be putting that together later. So exciting. So guys, the table is up. I've only done 2 chairs so far. I've kind of left the bags on for now because I want to be able to just tidy up before I take them off. It's absolutely gorgeous. It was quite easy to put together, to be fair. I love these chairs and all the piping detail there. I'm hoping I can keep them clean with 3 cats. I was going to put the cat tree in this corner, but I've decided, I've actually just ordered some like other shelves so that they can actually climb up to this hammock here, and they're kind of compact as well. So I'm going to move all this stuff. This is my Shark Hoover. That's going to go in the utility. So all this is going to be gone anyway. I'm going to move this bin as well. I'm going to get a round one because it actually fits in the utility here. I'm going to put it here, a nice round one, and then that's out of the way. And I'm going to move that stuff there. So yeah. Progress is being made. However, my vocal cords are still suffering. So I'm going to give it a rest for tonight. I've got a herbal tea and I'm going to have some dinner and I will check in with you later. Hi guys, so I'm not sure when I last filmed, but I'm gonna finish off this vlog now with a home bargain haul. So I've just been there today. I've just decided to collect up all my autumnal stuff and I just picked a few little bits up for Christmas, so I just want to share those with you. So without further ado, let's get into this home bargain haul. So first off, I didn't get the big wreath. Honestly, I think maybe next year I might even go on a wreath making course and make another big wreath, but for now I just picked this one up, B&M, because it was only £6 and I thought it's very in keeping with the one that I've got, which is quite autumnal. I kind of like the sort of beaded effect there, and it's just very subtle, which is what I really liked. So I got that and thought that was quite cute. Good value for money as well. So I did pick up as well these 3 gift bags. Now I have got loads of gift bags somewhere. I think they're in the garage. But I thought I'd just pick up another 3. You can never be without gift bags. So this was a pack of 3. So you get like a solid gold one. Sorry, you get 2 solid gold ones and a glitter one for £3. So they're like £1 each. So I picked those up as well. Moving on to stuff for the house, I decided, because obviously my Laura James table and chairs came. I'll insert here a picture of it finished. I've been reluctant to take the plastic bags off the chairs, but I'm gonna have to do it. So but I wanted some stuff to just sort of decorate the table top, so I did pick up these mats. These were £4 for 4, and they're just in this nice sort of very light beige colour. So my kitchen's kind of like black and white, but with a little bit of earth tone, because I've got like wood in here as well. So it is black and white throughout, but with a little bit of warmth of like wood colours. You know, those sort of bring wooden textures into it. So I thought they would be very much in keeping. So I got those as well. I did pick up this for Christmas. I think this was about £2.50. It's the Bailey's Squirty Cream. For some reason it doesn't come with a lid. They were all like that, to be honest. So yeah, I'm hoping to put that in some hot chocolate maybe on Christmas Eve. But taking it to my sister's as well. So I got that. Next up we have, I needed a centerpiece for my table. So I thought I could use this all year round. But it is £12, and when I worked out the cost of just buying the little twigs to put inside, they were like £2.50 for one. So you'd need at least 4 or 5. So you'd already spent over £10 already without the vase. So I thought it was well worth £12 for the vase plus the sort of pussy willow little bits in here and the greenery and everything. So I thought they looked really nice. Very like neutral, sort of white with the pussy willow and just nice greenery as well, which is what I really like. So they'll look lovely on the centre table as well. I did pick up, because obviously I do buy bottles for certain people. So I did pick up 3 bags, bottle bags. These were £1 each, I think. So yeah, £1 each for those. And they had loads of different ones as well. Next up, I did pick up, because obviously I've took all the decorations off my coffee station, so I kind of need something to zhuzh it back up. So I did pick up this one. It is, I was in two minds actually for a slightly cheaper one, but I fell in love with this little sort of gingerbread style house. It is beautifully decorated. It does actually light up, which I thought was really, really cute. So this was £6. And yeah, gorgeous. It's got little windows at the sides as well, which I thought was cute. It's gonna look lovely on my coffee station. Right, next up for £1.50, I did pick up these little festive red trees. Now one of these is for my desk at work. I usually put something on my desk, but I just thought I'd pick that up. So I'm gonna take that one to work. And then the other one, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. Maybe on the coffee station again. We'll see how I decorate that as well. But I did pick that up as well. I thought it was a bargain. I did get these as well, which were honeycomb paper trees. Now they come in like green and like a rosy colour and a cream colour. I thought they were really quite cute as well. Quite neutral shades. They did a big red one as well for £4, but it was one. You cannot have a festive haul without getting a festive mug. So I loved the colour of this green one. This was £3. They also did a different one in red as well, but I kind of fell in love with the sort of green tones of that. So I thought that was really nice. So that's going to go in my cupboard. I need to pack away all my autumn cups and stuff. So I've got a box going at the minute. So I'm going to put everything away so I can put it in the garage. A Christmas present. So yeah, I did pick up a Lynx Jungle Fresh. And last but not least, I picked up this sort of like draping. It has got a little hanging basket thing, but I'm just gonna not use that, and I'm just gonna pop it on the side. But I thought that was really, really good. That was £5. Just so that I just love a little bit of like dangling greenery. I just think it just finishes like a shelf off, or you know, like a unit off. It just adds that little bit of something to it. So I did pick up that as well. And we're coming to the end of the vlog because I'm not sure how long this vlog is, so I'll do a proper outro this time. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. See ya, bye.